How to grow philodendron. Philodendrons are known for their hardy nature and ability to withstand minimal care. They make excellent houseplants and are identified by their leggy growth patterns and glossy foliage. Philodendrons belong to a large genus with many species, and can vary in leaf size, color and shape. Propagating philodendrons is achieved by replanting cuttings rather than by planting seeds. Although they can be grown from seed, the germination period is lengthy and rarely yields a full-grown plant. Considered a tropical plant, philodendrons will not thrive in outdoor temperatures below 60 degrees Fahrenheit 15.5 degrees Celsius, and are best suited as houseplants kept at room temperature. The following tips will allow you to grow and care for your philodendron plant. Method 1. Know the types. 1. Vining philodendrons need a post or other supporting structure to climb on. These include blushing philodendrons and heartleaf philodendrons. 2. Non-climbing philodendrons have an upright, spreading growth habit. Examples are lacy tree philodendrons and bird's nest philodendrons. The width of non-climbers can be as much as twice their height, so give them plenty of elbow room. Method 2. Propagate philodendron. 1. Obtain your philodendron cuttings. You can get cuttings from a garden store, and often they will not even charge you for a couple of small cuttings. They should contain a stem and some foliage, as well as at least 2 joints, or nodes coming from the stem. The joints are where the roots will grow on vascular plants like philodendrons. 2. Mix your soil. Create a mixture of 1:3 peat moss, 1:3 potting soil and 1:3 sand. Philodendrons can grow without soil in many conditions, and need an extremely aerated growth source. 3. Pot the philodendron cuttings. Place your soil mixture into a 8-10 inch, 20-25.4 centimeters, planting pot. Insert the cutting, with the joints, into the soil and tamp the soil around the base of the cuttings. Philodendrons grow best when their roots are slightly cramped, but not too cramped, so don't plant them in a pot that is too large for the size of the cutting. 4. Secure the cuttings. Place a wooden stake about 1 inch, 2.56 centimeters, down in the pot and prop the cutting onto the stake. The vine, like philodendron, will climb the stake and be supported while it grows. 5. Locate your pot in a warm and shaded spot. Temperatures should be between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 and 26 degrees Celsius. Method 3. Care for philodendron. 1. Check your philodendron daily to determine watering needs. Young philodendron cuttings will need to be watered daily, but the plant does not do well when excessively watered since it's susceptible to root rot. Do not allow the soil to dry completely. Only the top 1 inch of the soil should be allowed to dry in between waterings. Droopy leaves can mean that the plant is getting too much or not enough water. But the leaves recover quickly when you correct the watering schedule. 2. Fertilize philodendron houseplants with a balanced liquid foliage houseplant fertilizer. Water the plant with the fertilizer monthly in spring and summer and every 6 to 8 weeks in fall and winter. Slow growth and small leaf size is the plant's way of telling you that it isn't getting enough fertilizer. Pale new leaves usually indicate that the plant isn't getting enough calcium and magnesium, which are essential micronutrients for philodendrons. 3. Spray the foliage daily with a water spray bottle. The leaves of the plant like to keep hydrated, and this also prevents the pores of the leaves from retaining dust, apart from giving the leaves a shiny, fresh look all the time. 4. Repot when due. When the roots begin to compact into a tight ball, the plant should be repotted into a planter that is 2-3 inches larger. Repotting should be done in late winter or spring, before the plant begins active new growth. Tips. Although philodendrons don't tolerate cold temperatures as a tropical plant, they may be replanted outside in subtropical or tropical climates where temperatures do not fall below 40 degrees Fahrenheit 4.4 degrees Celsius. Certain varieties will do well in USDA zones 10 and 11. Warnings. Never allow the soil to become saturated or soggy. Things. Philodendron cuttings. Peat moss. Potting soil. Sand. 10-inch, 25.4 centimeters, planting pots. Wooden stakes. Spray bottle.